Today, I'll show you how to turn a simple sketch, or any style image you like, into multiple scenes in the exact same style. Then, we'll bring those images to life with animation using 100% free tool. Finally, we will turn them into emotional short story videos. Go to ChatGPT. First, I uploaded this image and told ChatGPT, I want to create short story videos using these kinds of 3D characters. I use this image as a reference example. I also mentioned that there would be only one main character and no dialogues because I'm planning to create emotional short stories. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me a few story ideas. It came up with several ideas like the little tea seller puppy, the lost balloon, the robot growing a flower, and a few more. You can choose any of these ideas. It even generated example images for them as well. Actually, I picked a story idea called The Little Puppy's Dream. Then I asked ChatGPT to generate images for each scene in the story. I also mentioned that these images would be used as the first frame of each scene. After that, it generated 9 scenes along with prompts for each one. Take a look. Next, I copy the prompt for the first scene and go to Gemini. There, I uploaded the character image that matched my preferred 3D style. Then I asked Gemini to create a JSON prompt for that style. Then it generated something like this. So what this JSON prompt basically does, it acts like a blueprint for the image and its visual style. Using that JSON prompt, we can generate images with a very similar look and feel. Honestly, it gave much better and more consistent style results compared to using normal text prompts alone. These images are all in the same 3D style as the reference puppy image because I generated them using the same JSON style prompt. So, copy this JSON prompt, open a new chat, select Create Image, then paste the JSON prompt and type something like, refer to this style and create. After that, enter the prompt for the first scene like this. Then it generated an image like this. Exactly the same style as the reference image, right? But here I wanted a mobile video type aspect ratio, so I asked it to generate the image in a vertical 16:9 format. Then it gave something like this. Awesome, right? We can simply download the image from here. Now let's generate the image for the second scene by following the same steps. Paste the same JSON prompt, go to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for the second scene. Then come back to Gemini and paste it here, like this. Here I mention the above cute puppy because I'm still in the same chat where I generated the first image. Gemini understands that I'm referring to the same puppy character. So it generates the exact same puppy in the second image as well. And that's really useful for our case because it keeps the character consistent across all scenes. So in the same way, generate images for all the remaining scenes. Now go back to the same ChatGPT chat where we got the image prompts. Then upload each scene image one by one. So I upload the first scene image first. After that, ask ChatGPT to generate a JSON prompt to animate this first scene image. Yes, specifically ask for a JSON animation prompt. I don't know why, but JSON prompts seem to work much better than normal text prompts for animation. So, in the same way, generate animation prompts for all the scene images. Now, the remaining part is animating these images. But before doing that, we need to remove the logo from each image. So, search for Pelio.ai on Google. I am not exactly sure how to pronounce this. Open this link, then click Choose Files and upload the images one by one. It will automatically remove the logo like this. After that, we can download the processed image from here. And as you can see, the image size is still around 7 megabytes, so the quality hasn't dropped either. Now let's animate the images. Search for Meta AI on Google and open this page. First, sign up using your Instagram or Facebook account. I've already signed in. Currently, this is completely free with unlimited generations. But I'm not sure what will happen in the future, just like what happened with Grok Imagine. Still, at least for now, it's totally free to use. But this isn't very good at generating audio or dialogues. Okay, click on Vibes from the left side menu. Here, you can see short-form videos created by other creators, and you can even get prompt ideas from them. But for our case, we don't really need that. There's also a Meta AI mobile app, and honestly, using the app makes the whole video creation process much easier. Now let's start creating clips for our video. Click on New Chat from the left side menu. It will open a fresh chat window. Then click on Create Video. After that, upload the first scene image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the JSON animation prompt that it generated for that scene. Then paste the prompt here. Basically, each key value pair in this JSON describes different attributes of the scene. For example, here the camera motion is set to a slow cinematic zoom. So now let's see what kind of output it generates. See? Camera motion matched perfectly. When animating images with this, most of the time the generated clips don't include audio. So we can either add audio manually from here, or we can specifically ask it to generate sounds or voices after the clip has been created, like we refine the generated clip. When downloading these clips, they usually come with a watermark on the video. So to avoid that, we either have to screen record the video using something like OBS Studio, or use the mobile app version, create the video there, do this, and then download it from Facebook. Now let's change the camera motion and see what happens. This time, I changed the camera motion to a steady camera with no movement. Let's check the result. See? Now the camera isn't moving at all and it stays completely steady. So, in the same way, animate each and every image one by one. Here are some clips generated for our story using this method. And here's the fully edited final story. I added the voiceover using ElevenLabs and used background music from the YouTube audio library.
Once there was a tiny puppy holding a warm cup of milk and watched the birds fly in the sky. Time passed, and that tiny puppy grew tall and strong. But his dream stayed the same. He wanted an adventure. He wanted to climb the highest mountain like a hero, to stand where the birds fly. But the climb was harder. A loose stone, a slipped paw, and suddenly he was falling. He tumbled all the way to the bottom, quiet valley below. Scared, bruised, and alone, he began to cry. Then he saw a tiny bird on the cold ground. She was lost, just like him. "Don't be sad," the bird whispered. Even cloud chasers like us end up at the bottom sometimes. Puppy forgot his own pain. He gently carried the bird to a wide, open clearing ground. He watched as she took flight once more, and for the first time, he felt truly happy. That's life. One day you're on top, the next you're at the bottom. But remember, even experts fall. Never give up.